I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Movistar, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing your refund or dispute, use the ishrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify account information. Double check that your account information is correct. Incorrect details like your billing address or phone number can lead to payment issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using the Movistar app, try clearing the app cache. This can resolve glitches that might prevent payments from processing. Note, on Android, you can find this under Settings Apps Movistar Storage. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Movistar app. Outdated apps can have bugs that affect payment processing. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Movistar customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account and payment issues. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issues quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.